Hello everyone, in front of me is OPPO A77 5G, and let me show you how to change keyboard language. So at first open new message or any other area where you can input some text. So here you can see the current keyboard. Actually I have two of them, so it's English and French. You can switch between languages by tapping on this word icon. If you want to change it, tap on settings icon, go to languages, tap on add keyboard, select the one that you wish to apply. So it can be, for example, Arabic. Then choose the region and click on done. Now you can either stay with all your languages or you can remove unnecessary language, then go back. And now smoothly by tapping on the word icon you can switch between both languages. If you leave one language only, you will have just one language entered here. So that's it, that will be all. This is how you can manage keyboard language. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.